IP point of view, last class I discussed few definite integral type questions. Some more questions are there important for IP. I'll complete remaining questions in this video. Integral 0 to pi x sine cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. We have a property 0 to a fx dx is same as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Say this as I. The same integral pi minus x 1 plus cos pi minus x whole square dx. Pi minus x sin 180 minus x is sin x. Cos 180 minus x minus cos x, which is same as 1 plus cos square x dx. So adding these two integrals, I plus I 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x plus pi minus x sin cube x by here 0 to pi sin cube x minus by 1 plus cos square x dx, which is equal to pi times sin cube x by, which is 2i, pi times 0 to pi sin square x into sin x by which is also same as pi times 0 to pi here is pi times 1 minus cos square x pi, put cos x as t minus sin x dx will be when x is 0, t is 1. When x is pi, t is cos pi, which is minus. So since I changed a variable, limits changed from when x is 0, t value is 1. When x is pi, so here sin x dx is minus pi times 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So which is equal to, here I'll write pi times 1 to minus 1, pi times 1 to minus 1. This minus 1 I will write it as pi times t square plus 1 by t square plus 1 minus 2 by t square plus 1 pi times 1 minus 2 by t square plus 1 dt. Integral dt is this. Integral 1 by t square plus 1 is tan inverse t between 1 to minus. Here it is pi times -1 minus 1 tan inverse -1, which is pi times -2, so minus pi by 4, which is pi times plus 2 into 2 pi by 4. So pi into pi minus 2. This is 2i value. So from here, I is pi into pi minus 2 by 2. So 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Take this as I. Same I here is pi minus x sin pi minus x by 0 to pi sin x by minus cos x whole square dx. So 0 to pi 1 plus cos square x dx. Adding these two integral pi sin x minus x sin x by this get cancelled. So pi times 0 to pi taking cos x as t minus sin x dx will be dt. Since I changed variable x to t, limits will change. When x is 0, when x is pi, so 2i here is pi times minus dt by. So this we can write minus 1 to 1 means if I remove minus, limits will change. So is pi times tan inverse t. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 2i here is pi by 4 minus pi times. So I here is pi square by 4. Zero to pi by 2. X by sin x plus cos x dx. So let us, while writing board exam, you must mention the property. Say it is I. 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x. Wherever x is there, I am replacing with x, which is same as here you get cos x plus sin x dx. So this one is 1. This is adding these two integrals. 2I here is x by cos x plus sin x plus pi by 2 minus x by cos x plus sin x dx. So 0 to pi by 2 cos x plus sin x dx. Pi by 2 times 1 by cos x plus sin x dx. Here it is how to integrate this. Uh, Multiply and divide with root 2 in the denominator. We get pi by 2 root 2 cos x cos pi by 4 plus sin x. Here it is pi by 2 root 2 1 by cos of x minus 4 dx. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, which is pi by 2 root 2 1 by cos is secant x minus pi by 4 dx. Now you take x minus pi by 4 as y. When x is 0, x is pi by 2, we get pi by 4. So 2i, which is pi by 2 root 2, when x is 0, corresponding y value minus pi by 4. Here it is pi by 4, secant y, dx is dy. It is pi by 2 root 2 log of integral of secant x is log secant x plus tan x. Here it is pi by 2 root 2 secant 45. Tan 45 is 1. Secant minus pi by 4 plus tan minus pi by 4. Log of root 2 plus 1. Since secant minus theta is secant theta, which is secant 45, tan minus theta is minus tan theta minus tan pi by 4. Log of root 2 plus 1, which is pi by 2 root 2 log a minus log b, log a by b. But what I have to prove is root 2 plus 1. So you rationalize with root 2 plus 1, which is pi by 2 root 2 root 2 plus 1 whole square, which is pi by 2 root 2 log root 2 plus 1 whole square. This is 1, which is 2 pi, is based on log x square is 2 log x. So this is 2I value, which implies I will be pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Next problem, 0 to pi x sine power x. So this is I. So the basic property of integration, with the help of this, I evaluate the integral. X you replace with pi minus x cos pi minus x whole power 6 dx sin 180 minus x is sin x minus cos x power 6 dx sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. This is I. Adding these two integrals, 0 to pi is the first integral. Second integral is pi sin power 7x cos power 6x minus I x cos power 6x dx. 2I here is pi times here it is 0 to 2a fx dx 2 times 0 to a if f of 2a minus x is fx. Here fx is 2a in the sense here it is pi sin pi minus x whole power 7 is sin power 7x sin power 7x into cos power 6x. So since it satisfies this condition, 0 to pi sin power 7x cos power 6x dx is 2 times this. You have a formula IMN is in fact 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx m minus 1 by m plus n with 2 difference is I1n or according m is odd or even. So now 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x cos power 6x dx 6 by 13 4 by 11 4 by 9. Since this number is odd, I1n. So I1n in fact 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos power nx dx, its value is 1, 1 by n plus. So finally 2I is equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 2. Here we write 2 times 6 by 13, 4 by 11. I can here is 6. That is 1 by 6 plus. So I value here is 8 into 6, 48 by 13 into 11 into 9 into 7. Last problem. 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx. Here, as you know, cos x minus sin x whole square is cos square x minus 2 cos x sin x. I'll take sin x minus cos x, which is 1 minus sin 2x. So sin 2x will be 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Now integral becomes sin x plus cos x by, in place of sin 2x, I will write take sin x minus cos x as t dx as dt. When x is 0, sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. See. So dt by this whole thing 9 plus 16 into 1 minus t. 25 minus, so this I will write it as dt by 16t square minus 20. Integral 1 by x square minus a square is, so this I value 1 by 4t minus whole square minus 5 square t. This one, it is of the form 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a between 0 and minus 1 by x coefficient, that is t coefficient. So here it is 8 into 5, 40 log upper limit is minus 9 by 1 minus log 0 minus 5 by 0 plus 5, which is 1 by 40 log 9 minus log 1, which is log 3 square minus 0, which is 2 by 40 of log 3, which is 1 by 20 of log 3.